Hello everyone. It's nice to be here, and I'm Tanish, the CEO of a very emerging airline company, Fly High. Uh, yeah, can you change the screen? So, this is the case story, the problem but lately there are some problems which are companies facing. So, this case only has the problems which are companies facing that you must be knowing. The next slide. So these are some problems that we'll be addressing today. So the first one will be how to increase the occupancy rates in our flight. The second one will be how to make our brand uh, uh, more famous with the help of brand collaboration. And the last but not the least, how to give passenger more personalized experience. So, the problem one, how to increase occupancy rates. I believe that it is one of the most uh, grave issue that our airline is facing, and we need to address it first and foremost. Yeah. So there are many solutions that our company has provided. The first one is online check-ins. So online check-ins, most of the airlines provide online check-ins, and it makes quite convenient for the passengers to also book their own preferable seats. And this is not we are not able to do this because of our website. So it brings us to the third point, that is improvement of our website. So we must appoint a team, a front end and back end team, which will improve our website. Yeah, I have missed the second point, the flyer miles. So there are many passengers or businessmen who often travel by our airline. So what we can do is provide flyer miles, and when a passenger reaches a certain limit of 10,000 miles, then he can be offered a free ticket. Then we have our fourth point, free upgrades. So sometimes at last moment our plane is not filled and some seats in first class are left. So we can invite some last time upgrade, not at a very high cost, but half the amount of the first class ticket. And here comes the fifth point, collaboration with international airlines. So there are many tourists which travel by our airline, and taking an example, a tourist want to go to uh, Mumbai to Nepal. So he might be stopping at Delhi to, it might be any reason, to meet his relative or anything. So there is a problem of connecting flights. So we can collaborate with an international airline and manage our times so that the passengers can board both the planes, and it will be beneficial to both the companies. And here we have the sixth last point. It was suggested by one of our team member, Diti. So it was free breakfasts. So one of the best thing that passengers enjoy is free things. So here we can provide free breakfast on long haul flights. Yeah. Um, please put the next slide. The second problem that we have is to make our brand famous with the help of, specifically with the help of brand collaborations. So there are many passengers who go to other city and then they book the hotels. Most passengers don't book the hotels beforehand. So we can collab with Oyo Hotels, since they are one of the largest chains in India. So those passengers can book Oyo Hotels by upgrading their package on our tickets and stay there for the night or book packages and the hotel. And there we go, cabs like Ola or Uber. So one of the biggest problem a passenger face is reaching the airport. He has to book a cab, and it's quite troublesome. The cab, he's waiting for the cab, and suddenly the cab cancels. That's the most frustrating moment. So we are going to collab with cabs like Uber or Ola, who are going to pick the passengers in accordance to the flight time. And here we have food and beverage companies like Paperboat. We can collab with them to give free beverages, as that will benefit both the companies. And the last one is airport lounge. So most of the airport lounge cost uh, around 2,000 bucks for uh, free stay there. So we can collab with airport lounges, so our customers can get free treatment there. And here comes our last problem, that is how to give our passengers most personalized experience. So as we can see and clearly in the report that the money spent in baggage claims is increasing by a huge amount. So what we can do is baggage tracking by barcode. With this, not only the airport officials, the airline, but also the passengers can track their baggage and ensure about its safety. The second point is having a babysitter in flight. So it's very annoying when it's a late night flight and everybody is trying to sleep, and then we hear that cry. So we can have a babysitter amongst the crew members, so that it may not cause a problem for other passengers. Uh, it's the third point, in-flight entertainment. So there are many passengers who are first timers, and they often call the air hostess and the crew because they feel afraid. So this wastes a lot of time of our crew, and so we have decided to add in in-flight entertainment a cam on the tail of the airplane and the front. As be it a child or an old age person, it's very fascinating to see a plane suddenly climbing height. So we can install a back cam, or a tail cam, with which a person can see in front in the screen in front of his flight how the plane is taking off. It will the passengers then will not get that much frightened, and the crew will able to process with their work more efficiently. And the last point here is in-flight accessories like free gifts. So our airline believe is starting a airline special card, and those holders can get free accessories and free gifts in airlines. And if there is a empty seat in first class, they can also get free upgrades. So we are we have proposed these solutions, but we are open to all solutions. If anyone has any extra solutions, they can surely tell us.